Here's how to use Google Drive, a safe place for all your files. Log into your Jagmail email account. Here I'm logged into my Jagmail email account. Click on the grid in the top right-hand corner next to your profile picture. Go down to, I could start a new Google Doc, or I can go to Drive and then click New Google Doc. Then I can begin writing my paper. Google automatically saves your work every few seconds. You can rename the document by clicking in the title field. Google automatically uses the first line of text to suggest a title. And that's it. Your paper is being saved. No more losing papers. Thanks for watching.